In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and tausabha.roik.wordpress.com. We'll start right from a fresh browser window to make this simple and repeatable. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type WordPress and press Enter. You're looking for the official WordPress.com result. Click that result to continue. A quick tip: confirm the address bar shows WordPress.com so you know you're on the correct site. Once you're on WordPress.com, you may be asked to sign in. If you're already signed in, you might land in the site editor or your dashboard. Either way, look for the area that lets you manage your sites. You'll typically find a My Home or My Site menu on the left. Within that menu, click Manage Sites. This takes you to a centralized list of all the sites associated with your account so you can be sure you're working in the right place. If you have more than one site, take a moment to select the one you want to adjust. Next, from the left-hand navigation, click Plugins. This opens the plugin area for your selected site. You're now in the right place to browse and search for tools that extend your site's functionality. If you don't immediately see plugins, double-check that you're viewing the correct site and that your plan or permissions allow access to plugins. Switching to the intended site often makes the plugins option appear. In the plugin directory, find the search field at the top and type SureMembers Core. Be sure to spell it exactly as written so the correct result appears. As you type, the results will update automatically. You should see SureMembers Core show up in the list. This plugin focuses on membership and content access, so it's commonly used to control who can view specific pages or posts. Now, click on SureMembers Core to open its details page. Here you can review a full description, check version and compatibility information, browse screenshots, and read any available documentation. This page helps you understand what the plugin does before taking any next action. Take a moment to confirm it aligns with your goals and that it's compatible with your theme and setup. If anything looks unfamiliar, the overview and support sections on this page are great places to learn more. And that's the walkthrough. We started from Google, navigated to WordPress.com, opened Manage Sites, clicked Plugins, searched for SureMembers Core, and then opened its details page. If your screen looks a bit different, interfaces can change over time, but the labels and locations are usually similar. Pause is needed, follow along, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.